Hi, welcome back to my channel. How you are doing? I hope you all are doing great. I'm back with another tortilla wrap recipe you can try at home. So I'm starting up with this lettuce. You can use cabbage as well, and a grated cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. I'm using this mayo mixed with bacon. I'm using green pepper and red pepper. You can also add the yellow one if you wish. And then I'm using chicken. I already grilled it in the oven. You can use fish or beef if you want. So next I'm just going to add the lettuce in a bowl, and I add the cheese or the mixture. I'm putting them together and mix them up nicely. This is a healthy meal for those of you that wants to lose weight. You want to keep eating healthy. I think this for breakfast is very good. There are so many ways you can enjoy this tortilla wrap. There's so many ways you can use it for meal, of which I'm going to be posting a lot of video about it. So as you can see, I'm mixing up the mixture. Then I'm going to add my chicken, mix them up, and then add the mayo last. Next, I'm adding the mayo bacon. Remember, you can use mayonnaise, plain mayonnaise, if that's what you have at home. So is this one as well is an option. So I'm going to mix it up nicely, then keep it aside. So guys, I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, all of you watching my videos, dropping comments and sharing the video. Thank you so much. You have really brought me this far. Without you, I wouldn't have been here. So guys, I'm going to be using this foil to wrap it, because your girl will be professional when it comes to wrapping tortilla wrap. So I'm using this foil to make it easier for me to fold it. So I'm going to be using this tortilla wrap. I bought it from Tesco. You can buy it from any shop, or you can make your own at home. So I'm going to place it on top of the foil and then add my mixture on it. Is the vegetable that I've already mixed together. Then I'm going to wrap it with the help of the foil. It's going to help me to wrap it nicely. And you know, if you don't know how to wrap this wrap, it's going to burst and then messed up everywhere. So but this foil is going to make everything neat for me. So what I'm going to do, I'll gently fold the wrap first, and then use the foil now to cover it properly before I toast it with my toaster. So it's very simple. If I don't use this, at the end of the day, I'm going to tear the wrap into two and then messed up everywhere. So as you can see, it's easy. I'm just going to bend it and keep it aside. So this is how it looks inside. So I'm just going to wrap it and then keep it aside. So you can see it's very neat and simple. So I'll do this last one again for you to see. It's very simple to wrap with the foil, and it's easy as well. So put in your mixture and then wrap it gently with the help of the foil. So you get to fold the wrap first and then use the foil now to cover it. And then that is it. So once I'm done folding the wrap, next is for me to start toasting it with my toaster. So I'm using this toaster. I'm just going to plug it on and then put the wrap inside of it and then toast it. I bought this toaster in August. I've forgotten how much I bought it anyway. It has 3 pans. You can use it to toast bread, and then you can use it to do pancake as well. So once the red light changes to green light, then it is ready. You can see the green light now is also showing green. So it's time for me to remove it. So guys, if you don't have toaster at home, you can use your pot to do it. Just place your pot in the fire, same method, put it on the pot and then turn it time to time, maybe like for 3 minutes. I think it's okay. So if you don't have toaster, you can still enjoy this recipe. So guys, that is it. I'm just going to take it off from the foil and open it for you guys to see. A simple and healthy meal you can try at home. So guys, this is how it looks. It really came out nice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you all on my next one. Bye.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too.